Gotta get these stiff hips. Oh, it's popping already. Good reaction to me there. You can feel this one coming. Wow! How'd that one feel? So we're gonna work the hip muscle here. I'm not gonna let her cheat. Go ahead and slowly drop. Good. Right in the hip flexor right here. See, you can see the camera person. So we're gonna go right in the hip muscle right there. Up high with this one again. And we're gonna zoom out and slowly drop. And one more time, and again from here. Go up high with the right leg. One more time. What'd you say again?
Oh, I think you're mean to me because I'm
Slowly
married.
drop. And again. Slowly drop. And one more time. Slowly drop.